Hey, what's up, man? This is like an unusual setup for me because I never talk in front of the camera or something. But yeah, welcome to my room. So as you can see, this is my room, which I always do my videos inside my room. Just a disclaimer, don't be fooled with my room because it is not clean. I'm actually packing up some of my things because we're moving out. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to show you my current go-to makeup based on my preference, my face, and just my lifestyle. So before I put anything in my face, I usually go with this one. What I also like about this thing is it's so gentle on your skin and it doesn't have any alcohol, and it also reduces the chances of getting acne or pimples. Yeah, it's very gentle on the skin and it doesn't irritate my skin. Oh, and for the concealers, I use the Bobby Cosmetics and the Fit Me Maybelline, which is almost gone. So I use two types of concealers on a daily basis just because I need that much of coverage for the areas that I want to hide. So with my pinky finger, I'm starting off with this red or orange shade to color correct my under eyes. I just put a little bit because when I overdo this, it usually looks like I have red under eyes. It doesn't cover up much. So a little goes a long way. Moving along, so we're going to choose this shade, which I will put on the outer edge of my under eye. I'm just leaving it like that, and then the other side. There we go. So next shade is this one to brighten. So this is my color and this one is for brightening. I'm going to put it on the inner corner of the under eye. And I just let it set for a few seconds or so. I'm going to blend this out, the concealers. Next is the Maybelline Fit Me. So I just applied it on the under eye to brighten and a bit on the forehead, and I'm dragging it along the nose bridge. So I take this brush to buff everything out. To set everything, I usually pick between these two. So this is the Pond's BB powder, which is the safest to use because on a daily basis I get oily a lot, and I usually use this to retouch. If I want translucent powder, I would rather use it when I have my foundation on. Then I have this second option, which is, whoa, look at that hollow. This is by Bel Air Cosmetics. So I'm using the same brush and just apply it under my eyes just to set it everything where I apply the concealer. Ta-da-da-da! I take the Pond's BB powder and I put it in my hand like so. Ooh. And then I take my powder brush and take it with my hand and apply it everywhere on my face because you don't want to be oily, my dear. Whatever's left on my hand, I just put it on my neck because I can't neglect our neck. So for the eyebrows, I usually just go for eyebrow pencils. I don't go for pomade anymore or powders. I just go with the usual stuff. I just, usually fill in the brows accordingly. When I fill in my brows, I usually go for the surprise look, like to lift the skin here, like because I don't know, it lifts the brows, and I usually go for a higher brow because I have hooded eyes like so. So as you can see, I filled it halfway in. So girl, we gotta use this spoolie to blend everything. So I think we're done with the brows, but if I want to go an extra mile with my brows, I would take a soap or any bar of soap. Usually I just go for the waxy type of soap. Here I have this, a sample of the bar soap. I got it at school. Then I will take my spoolie like so and wet it. Once you wet it, we're going to scrub it. Make sure everything is covered up and you get all the wax. Then you will put it in your brows because this works effectively as your brow gel, so you can go for that bushy eyebrow look. So after the brows, if I also feeling extra and feeling bloated,
like I always am,
I would take my Insta Ready Contour Kit by Bobbi Cosmetics. So I usually go for this shade to contour my face, getting nice and neat with this brush, with a big fan brush, and just buff it under my chin, around the neck, because you don't want a double chin, sis. Then whatever's left on your brush, just wipe it in like in my nose to add some dimension. So now we're taking this shade for blush, and I just put it on the apples of my cheek. I put it here around this area and this area, and also on the bridge of my nose, like we're achieving that drunk look a little bit, subtle look. So as you can see,
I looked like I had a few shots.
So then I just put it around the nose bridge, the cupid's bow, just to brighten everything, and then blend it out. And then I'm taking my blending brush, taking my contour shade, and just apply it on my eyes, just following my natural crease. So if I want more definition around the eyes, I would take the Flomar single eyeshadow, which is in the dark brown shade. Just take a little bit and just tap the axis and focus on the outer edge and the crease, and I just blend everything. For the eyes, I take my Ever Balena eye defining brown eyeliner, and I just apply it around my under eye waterline. I only apply it on the outer edge because I just want to define my lower lash line. Stop halfway through because you just want to define lower lash line. And then I take this smudger or something and I smudge it. So I just smudge it, whatever's left on the product, I drag it along the outer just to have like a flick or something, and then apply it on close to the lash line as possible, and on the outer edge because we don't want to ruin the inner corners because I would look like I didn't get enough sleep. We're just using this to define our eyes. I'm taking this eyeshadow or the loose shadow by Fashion 21, which is the dazzling eyeshadow, and I apply it on the center of my eyes. And then I take my pinky finger and dip it in, and I look up and apply it on the middle area of my lower lash line. So if I want to go another extra mile, I would take my Lash Paradise by L'Oreal or my Essence Clear Brow Gel to curl and define my lashes. But as you can see, I have my semi-permanent eyelash extensions right now. But for the sake of this video, we're going to use this one because,
we're extra, sis.
So I have this tiny eyelash curler which folds up and it turns into. After curling my lashes, I will apply the mascara, which has a thick mascara wand. When applying mascara, I usually scrape up the excess product because you don't want clumpy lashes. So this is the final look of my eyes after the mascara. I really swear by this mascara because it's waterproof, it's smudge proof, and without these extensions I can achieve this eyelash look because it's really voluminous. So after my eyes, for the final step, I just go for the lips. For my lips, I usually go for the chapstick or lip balm or Vaseline, but for the sake of this video, we're going to use my favorite lip color, which is the Luna Clay Blush. Luna Clay Blush, which is in autumn. So first I take my lip balm, which is the aloe vera one. To complete everything in this look, we're going to take my favorite hair cream, which is by L'Oreal, which is the
extraordinary oil.
So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this talk tour video because it's really my first time, and I hope I can see you later on my next video. Good luck!